Yeah, Gotham Mortigan, you scoundrels! Good morning!
I went to the Ladysmith car show. I hope you guys enjoy it. Skaw! There are some fantastic looking cars here today, don't you think? And of course, my most favorite car in the world, the Dukes of Hazzard car. Yee-haw! This is a friend of mine's car, and he quite often wins first prize with this car. It's a 1957 Chevy 350.
Listen to me. This is Optimus Prime. We must all band together to fight the Decepticons. Bumblebee, roll out!
For your motorcycle lovers, an old Indian. Love it. Red is such an impact color, and I call impact colors like the slime green, red, yellow, any of the bright colors. Impact colors because they impact you. Another one of my favorites, a Barracuda. This coupe was exceptionally nice. I really liked it. I'm not a big Nova fan, but this one definitely grabbed me. I'm not quite sure, but I would call this a lead sled, and what a nice lead sled. I have to mention this one because it was exceptionally nice. ZZ Top car, love it!
Ska!